probably mid-30s today, and there's not many clouds in the sky, which is very nice. So Ryan is filming a video. And I'm guessing he's trying to get our friendly lizards that are down in that water.
This thing seems like you're trying to use the fishing system. Come on, bother with it.
We're also hoping to fly the drone today as well, so we're going to do the pools now, and then we're going to go on the beach over there, I think, quite quiet, and try and fly it. We have our permit, so we should be good to go, shouldn't we? Hopefully. So we're at one of the water chutes here, and Ryan's going to come down the chute any second now. That was him. There he goes again. Getting the second shot this time. Really fast.
Are you going down?
Yeah, I'm going to go down now, yeah. So we're just having a drink at the beach bar now, aren't we?
Yeah.
What have we got?
Mojitos.
Mojitos. It's happy hour. Buy one, get one free.
Not a cheapskate, are you?
No, not at all. No, it's good. 4 till 6, buy one, get one free. So that'll be done. Why not? It's nice, so. Went down the wrong way.
There you go.
Had a good day?
Yeah. Nice fun the drone.
Yeah, we've done lots today, haven't we?
Yeah, lots of swimming.
Jumping in pools, jumping off ledges, lazy rivers.
Do some filming for the video.
Yeah, so you'll see all that in one of our feature videos in due course.
Stay tuned.
So we're out now, we just had dinner, and we are just checking out one of the markets before we go for some drinks. So, you know, Bangkok, Phuket, anywhere in Thailand, famous for their night markets, and this is one of them. Alright, thank you. Right, so we're on our way to a bar. Literally the heavens have just opened. So we're just taking shelter underneath the cover, you know, we're in Ryan's drench, aren't you? You know.
Still red hot though.
It is still hot.
Really warm. Things so
Yeah. We are literally tipping it down. Literally. When it rains in Thailand, it rains. Right, here we go. We're going into the sea in Thailand. Here's Ryan. Ryan's already got his feet in, dipped in. What's it like? Is it warm? Like a what?
bathtub.
God, it is warm as well, isn't it? The waves we got looking around here. Go flying off of the tip.
First time we came here, the beach was like full of little crabs and that kind of put us off. So the fact that we're in the sea is like a massive thing. I've got a massive fear of crabs. So if I see a crab now, I'll literally just but the sand's all being powdery.
Yeah, this is nice actually. The sea's really clear as well. Stop looking down, come in. Don't worry about it.
It's because there are stuff on the floor, so I'm just like making sure they're not crabs.
Right, what you don't know won't hurt you, it'll be fine. We're in a place called Karen Beach, which is about literally 5 minutes drive, a stone's throw from the hotel. It's like the local town. We just had a nice coffee and a bit of lunch in this place behind us. Ryan just popped to the toilet, and then we're going to go for a bit of a wander. Hopefully, we're going to try again to fly the drone. But it's just been nice to see another town, and so it's a beautiful little area. So it's really nice. So fingers crossed that we can fly the drone again. That'll be 2 days in a row, which will be fab. So did you enjoy your lunch?
Yeah, it's nice.
Good job.
Another pizza.
Another pizza. You make it sound like we've had loads of pizzas. We haven't had that many, have we?
No, but we had one last night. It's that same one.
Oh right, yeah, okay. All
It's
right.
nice.
It was nice, to be fair.
Plus Scooter and Rocket.
So we're on sunburn alert. So obviously it's baking hot. It's maybe on 32, 33. Ryan put some lotion on this morning, but we didn't put any more on before we came out.
We did, but just not. Not put any here, and
So
put a little bit on my shoulders, a little bit on my legs and arms. That's it.
yeah, so given we're going to try and fly the drone again and probably end up on the beach, probably not the best. Bit of an oversight on our part, but hey, but it's a lovely little area. Appears to be an outdoor gym. Well, I'm not quite sure how all the metal equipment, because it is metal, works in the hot sun. So we're walking along Patong Beach right now. So it's quite busy today, but we've got a cruise ship in. You see a cruise ship there, Royal Caribbean.
We've docked in here before.
We've docked here before, haven't we?
So in fact, almost 3 years to the day.
You can see behind me here, that's a rain shower. It's literally just moving across. We're dry at the minute. The sun's hidden behind this cloud, so hopefully it stays that way. But then on the other side of us, we've got the darkest clouds ever, haven't we? So we're kind of sandwiched between two things here. We're hoping it stays sunny, but dark clouds, sunshine, rain shower. So yeah, watch this space. Hopefully we don't get wet. So, but that said, it's nice to walk along the sand anyway, innit, to be fair.
Yeah.
So. Right, we didn't make it. It's starting to rain, so we're retreating to an oasis.